and welcome. My name is Eric, and today is a great day. It's a beautiful day. We're here celebrating the birth of our nation, and we're going to do it the best way you can. We're going to fly all the things. First, the airplane from Lake Wales to Orlando to pick up Reese, and then from Orlando down to Sebastian Airport. We're going to hook up with some of our new employees and new interns and new awesome people as we're back from our trips, back from our travels, getting ready for more. And yeah, let's go have some fun flying paramotors on the beach.
You nervous?
A little bit. First time beach flying, you know, first time doing anything, you get nervous. But yeah, it's a little bit strong out, you know. But I think it's doable. I'll wait for Eric to take off first, and then that's how I'll know it's safe. It's hot out.
Yeah, you're wearing PJs.
No, dude, these are breathable.
What up?
Well, time to get sweaty.
This is our coastal instructor pilot proficiency training, i.e. beach day.
We're out here. Oh man, it's hard to walk in the sand, so launching is going to be interesting. Beautiful weather, the crew's out here. Let's get it going.
All right.
I'm Reese.
I'm Kirk.
Kirk, nice to meet you. Who's this?
Sophie.
Sophie.
What's up, man?
Howdy, howdy.
How are you?
Doing well. Little change of pace.
Yeah, man. We're gonna do a bit of flying. A little bit stronger winds, but it should be an awesome freaking time.
I got room on my bench if you want.
Dude, a hot chick just rolled up. She's probably gonna watch me take off.
Are you flustered now?
It's gonna guarantee you up.
You got this, Jake.
No, you'll be fine, man. It's nice and easy. Just take your time, kite the glider, turn around, and go. You'll be fine.
My name is Edwin, aka Erodyo on YouTube, and I'm here doing some crazy FPV work for these guys and get some cool shots up in the sky. This is a totally new experience for me, so I'm terrified, but it's great.
So how was that takeoff?
I give it a 6.
I give it a 7. He had nice wing control. He got into the power a little late, but that was good.
It was successful. It's a 10.
I'm feeling like a hummingbird in springs in bloom. Springs in bloom. Brand new. I'm with you, I'm with you. Right now, I'm feeling something. Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. Feels like I'm dancing in poetry in shades of blue.
Skylanders or Apaches. I started turning, I guess that's north, and then they just flew right by me, but below, fortunately, so the rotor was down and away from me, but it's pretty sick to watch them.
Oh yeah. First time at the beach. First time at the ocean flying. So cool. Got to see turtles. Turtles on top of turtles.
Kiting's easy, the motoring's happening. It's happening, this is on. Game on, man.
Test the water first.
It's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb.
There's so many people that I did 21 years in the Navy, and a lot of good comrades. A few of us still keep in touch. Found other comrades. My oldest boy, he's working with the Marines, and there's just a great band of brothers that have a heart to serve, and I see a lot of that with this. It's not for the country, it's for the sport, but I mean, there's still a lot of that same compassion, so I love it.
Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.
High fives!
Getting after it.
It's never felt quite like this.
Wow, man! I mean, that is just like nothing like it. I wish my son was here. He would have loved this. He would have loved this. But yeah, wow.
Just the water is so clear, man. You could see, like, I saw fish and turtles out there, man. The wind was so laminate, no bumps. Yeah, it was just awesome. And then when you're going downwind, you were just flying.
Another high fiver. Yeah, buddy.
That was awesome. Oh, there's so many people.
Yeah.
I like all the people. Oh, waving to all the people. Oh, it's so much fun.
It's Florida, beach, sun, and you can't beat it. Lamina win all day long.
That drone was cool.
All right, guys, that is it. We've had some fun. Yeah?
Yeah.
A little bit.
yeah.
First time at the beach for a lot of these guys. Keep in mind, flying, every time you fly somewhere new, it's like your first flight all over again. So, guys, have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 4th of July and Independence Day. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Woo! Yeah!